Welcome to Everyday Cooking. Today we are going to do a quick pizza on tawa. We need 8 slices of wheat bread for this. Here I have taken 4. We need to cut 2 of its edges like this. Now let us cross cut this perfectly. You have to shape it like this. One side it has to be small, the other side it has to be big. After this, you have to cut the edges of the smaller side. So here the bread slices are ready. We have to deal with the other 4 now. All the slices are ready. It is totally 8 slices. Now take a tawa, apply some butter on it. Now take a bread slice and place it like this. We are going to overlap the bread, so apply some milk on the edges and then place the other bread. The milk will help the bread to stick with one another. Do the same for all the breads. This is ready, and for the center we are going to place a round shaped bread. Apply some milk and then place it. Press well to get an even shape. Our base here is ready. Next is pizza sauce. The video link for how to prepare the pizza sauce is given in the description. If you want, you can click it. And now the toppings. You can top it with onions, tomatoes and whatever you like. I'm topping it with some onions, tomatoes, and some fried paneer. Finally, top it with some mozzarella cheese and place a tawa on the flame. Cover it and cook in low flame till the cheese melts. This is ready. Now let us top it with oregano and chilli flakes. Hope you liked the recipe. We'll join you in another interesting recipe, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.